Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the PUR Plus faucet mount water filter, a high-performing, easy-to-use system that's certified by both the Water Quality Association and NSF to reduce up to 70 different contaminants. I've tested both the vertical and horizontal versions, and in this video, I'll walk you through which one I prefer, the key features I love, a few drawbacks you should know, and who this system is best suited for. All right, let's jump right in. Step 1. Price and value. When it comes to value, the PUR Plus is hard to beat. The vertical model runs between $22 and $35, depending on color and bundle options, while the horizontal model ranges from $27 up to $48, and that's if you choose the version with Bluetooth connectivity. Replacement filters cost about $18 each when bought individually, but here's the smart move. Grab the 4-pack for $45, and you'll cut the cost down to just $11.25 per filter. Each one lasts roughly 3 months, so a 4-pack will cover you for a full year. That means you're spending only $45 a year for clean, filtered water straight from your faucet. Step 2. Features and performance. Now let's talk about what makes the system stand out. First off, the PUR Plus is both WQA and NSF certified to standards 42, 53, and 401. That means it effectively reduces chlorine, lead, mercury, herbicides, VOCs, and even trace pharmaceuticals. It filters instantly on demand. The filters use mineral clear technology, which gives your water a crisp, refreshing, alkaline taste. Each filter has a 100-gallon capacity, lasting about 3 months on average. They're universal too, so they fit every PUR faucet system out there. There's also an on-off switch, letting you toggle between filtered and unfiltered water, perfect for washing dishes, watering plants, or filling up a pot. And here's the best part. Installation is tool-free and takes less than a minute. Finally, a filter change indicator light reminds you exactly when it's time for a new cartridge. Step 3. The drawbacks. Now, as good as it is, there are a few things you should know before buying. Compatibility. It only fits standard faucets. If you've got a modern pull-down sprayer or designer faucet, this won't work for you. I ran into that issue myself. I couldn't install it in a few places because the faucets just didn't fit. Battery life. The filter change light runs on a built-in, non-replaceable battery. Once it dies, the filter still works, but you'll have to track your replacements manually. Plastic build. The housing is all plastic. If your water pressure is too high, it could crack or leak. Not common, but possible. Size. It's a bit bulky. On smaller sinks or low-hanging faucets, it can get in the way when washing dishes. Hot water warning. Never run hot water while it's set to filter. That can permanently damage the filter. Step 4. Vertical versus horizontal. Which one is better? After testing both models, I personally prefer the horizontal version. It just makes more sense. It extends backwards instead of sticking straight up, so it feels less bulky and gives you a little extra space to work around the sink. Installation on both models is super simple. Just unscrew your existing aerator, pop in the adapter, and tighten the filter head by hand. Done in under a minute. Step 5. Who should buy this? So, who's this filter really for? If you're someone who drinks a lot of water and you're tired of constantly refilling a pitcher, this is a great solution. It's perfect for renters or small households that want filtered water on demand, people who want a certified and affordable filtration system, and anyone who doesn't have the budget or the space for an undersink or RO setup. On the other hand, if your faucet isn't compatible or your sink is tight on space, you may want to explore different options like undersink filters or RO systems. To wrap it up, the PUR Plus faucet mount filter is a reliable, budget-friendly way to get clean, great-tasting water without the hassle of refilling a pitcher or installing a full system. Just make sure your faucet is compatible before you buy. I've dropped links to all the models and filter packs down below, so you can easily compare them for yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and home reviews, and share it with a friend who's looking for cleaner water at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.